Halonen met Kotka. Eri pesusvatausprogrammis.
Oh.
I guess it sounds wrong.
No.
No, it's here. Oh, it's with you. I want direct information. It's like a good tool. Built in 1995, nearer than I expected. Age 68448. 13 buses.
Whoa!
That was really scary.
Yep, it was.
I saw your reaction. It was like this din din din. That's good. And safety ring.
Oh, that's the closest. Okay, it's on like there.
It's so quiet.
Yeah.
Is this even hydraulic?
Yeah.
Oh. It's so quiet. Normally hydraulics are quite loud.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna go to the scary.
ES-turvapalvelu.
We'll get free Aero Shopper energy drink. Energy drink, I mean. Let's say when that scary door comes immediately. I like your reaction. Okay, it's gonna come soon. That's so funny. I wonder why.
Watch the. Oh my gosh. It doesn't say that I can't go there. Oh, this door. What's two?
First floor or third floor?
The third floor.
Then to the first floor. Oh.
Yeah.
That's so scary.
Bye bye scary floor, never see you again. This is or let's ride this with this elevator because I'm not gonna go to Kotka for a long time, I guess.
Inspected by inspector, maintained by Q. Slow leveling.
Yeah, very slow. Oh! Oh! I was really wrong. I got confused with some of the elevators we filmed today. There's a little bit scratching over there. That's nice. It's very nice to see 1995 elevator with this kind of design. Because this design is like normally some kind of 80s design, like 1988.
Come around.
Very smooth flow.
It was taped.
That's it. On meillä hän nyt vähän.
That's